In our previous video, Contrasts in ANOVA, we worked through an example two-way ANOVA in randomized blocks, then looked at ANOVA contrasts. In this video, we will perform multiple comparison tests following an analysis of variance. From the menu, select File, Open Example Datasets. Type rat blocks to highlight this file. Then click Open Data. This experiment studied the effect of 5 different dietary supplements on the weight gain of rats. 7 litters of 5 rats were used in a randomized block design. We'll use analysis of variance to analyze the weight gain. From the menu, select Stats, Analysis of Variance, 1 and 2 way. Ensure one-way design is selected. In the available data list, double-click the response variable gain to move this to the Y-variate field. Now move the treatment factor diet to the treatments field. Select blocks, then double-click the blocking factor litter to move this to the blocks field. Now click Options. In the Graphics section, select Residual Plots and leave other settings at their defaults. Multiple comparisons tests can also be requested here. We'll run them after looking at the ANOVA output. Here's a tip. If the Multiple Comparisons button doesn't appear on the ANOVA Options dialog, you'll need to enable it. To do this, select Tools, Options. In the Menus tab, select the option Show Multiple Comparisons on ANOVA menu. Now back to our tutorial. In the ANOVA Options dialog, click OK, then click Run. The 4 residual diagnostic plots help you check the assumptions of the analysis. Click the output window. The analysis of variance provides evidence that the treatment means differ, but it doesn't tell us where these differences are. So we might want to compare every pair of treatment means using a multiple comparison test. However, multiple comparisons may not always be appropriate. Examples include when there are few treatments, when comparisons of interest were identified beforehand, when the treatments have an ordinal structure, when the treatments have a factorial structure. To compare the 5 diets using pairwise multiple comparison tests, bring the 1 and 2-way analysis of variance dialog to the front again by double-clicking it in the window navigator. Now, click Further Output. Click Multiple Comparisons. This dialog provides all the standard multiple comparison tests. It also allows you to calculate a set of simultaneous confidence intervals. In the treatment drop-down list, we select the treatment factor to perform multiple comparisons on. Select Multiple Comparisons to activate this section. The test drop-down list lets us choose what type of multiple comparison test to perform. We'll leave this set to Bonferroni. The experiment-wise significance level is set by entering the desired probability into the significance level field. In the display section, we can choose what to display in the output. Let's output information on the pairwise comparisons, information on the error rates, and a table of means in which letters are used to indicate significant differences. The Sort Means radio buttons control whether the means are displayed in ascending or descending order. Click OK, then click Run. The output shows the results of the Bonferroni multiple comparisons test. The only significant difference is between diet C and diet B. The weight gain for diet C is on average 18.457 lower than for diet B. The treatment means, displayed in ascending order, are shown here. Means that have a letter in common do not differ significantly. Note that diet C and B are the only pair of diets without a letter in common.